Alright, Michael. You know who you are. You bought me this piece of junk, which is literally nothing more than a piece of scrap metal. Alright. So, obviously nothing works here. So we're gonna try to make it better. I got the fix-it tool here. Oh my.
I never knew that was a sticker.
Okay.
Hit that. I want to see it.
I popped it back in place. Alright, Brian. I just remembered that this isn't my channel. Okay. That's the end. Just remember, nothing lasts forever. It's funny. I can't help but chuckle from my inner being. It's so funny how people just think this is all gonna last forever. It's gonna be in the scrapyard at some point.